part 2.5 of the OBS build. Parts I need, I guess parts that's left that I still need. The harness, of course, which, you know, I sent it out the other day and it just got to the guy yesterday. So he'll take a couple days, maybe a week or so, redoing that, and then he'll send it back. So still got to wait on the harness regardless. But in the meantime, I went ahead and I painted the bracket that I got from LS Brackets, which puts my AC compressor in the stock location that the 350 Vortec had it. And then I have to relocate the alternator. But speaking of alternators, using that kit, I have to use a 145 amp alternator. The alternator that came with the motor is like a 105. It's a small case. I need a big case alternator. So I found the one I'm on my way to go pick up now on Marketplace for 50 bucks. It's supposed to be a brand new unit. We're gonna meet at O'Reilly's to have it tested, or at least I want it tested before I buy it, just to make sure it's good. But for 50 bucks, a new alternator, I'm like, I'll take a chance. If it doesn't work, let's say if it works today and then it doesn't work, brand new on Rock Auto, they are like 180, brand new AC Delco, 190 with shipping. So like I want to try to do like a budget build, you know, because some people are asking me like, how much is this build gonna cost? And of course, buying brand new everything, you know, the number can go high. But if I can, you know, get some parts for nickels on the dime here and there, and it's new good stuff, then I'll do that too. But I have this T-fitting that connects to one of the heater hoses for the steam port line. I'll show you guys that right now. I just put like a little picture of it on the screen. When I install it, I'll show you a video of that too. But no major updates for now, other than I did just mock up the AC bracket with the LS Brackets bracket I got from them. I painted it a couple days ago with PR15. I'll put a picture of it right here. It came out nice. It came to me, it's just raw steel, raw when they make it, so it had a little rust on it. So I put POR15 on it and made it, it's like a glossy black. It looks beautiful now. And then I just mocked it up. So I didn't, you know, do a final installation. I just wanted to do a mock-up. I'll show you guys how that looks now. But once I get this alternator, I'll be able to mount the alternator, then I'll be able to put the belt on. But for now, just an update for you guys. I'll make sure that I record the alternator being tested and all that stuff. I'm just recording for my YouTube channel the progress of the truck I'm building.
So what's that part number? R111. R111.
Oh, that's what I was looking for, yeah. 78 series though. Make it worth it. Step back.
Alright, so here are all the
numbers on it.
It shows all the stuff right there.
Okay.
So if you want to see that.
Okay, sweet. Awesome. Alright, looks good.